Hi, say hi.
Hi.
What are we going to do today?
I do British for water now.
Oh, we are going to set up a birdie feeder.
With British feeder. Let's
Yeah.
go.
So I went to Home Depot and I was just looking for a cheap bird feeder for my son. And this is what I got in Home Depot, and this is from a brand called Perky Pet. So this costs $4.98 in Home Depot. And advantage is, I think you can close it when you don't want to feed the animals. So this is the open slot and closed slot. And here, this is a lid here where you will fill up all the seeds that I bought. And again, this is a starter seed. I think this is the cheapest one that I can find. Actually, it feeds 3 specific birds, I guess. So these are sunflower chips, and it weighs around 5.5 lbs. And we are going to fill this up here. Yeah. So this is a glass element, and this is a plastic, and the middle one is glass. So this is what you got. So you fill this up with the water, and you close this, and then for the hanging, you just close it like this. And from here, okay, now the water is filled up. I think when you're filling it up, you should be careful so that you will not spill the initial water. But even if you slightly slide it, the water might come out, so just be careful. When you open this cap on top, you will find a small hook on it, and you can use it for the smaller part. This is a metal hanging hook. The bigger one goes to the tree branch, and the smaller one would fit the necessary spots here, like this. So this is for the water, and this is quite simple for the bird feeder. First, let's peel this out first. Peel the paper out to have the whole transparent. You wanna help it? Pull it up. Good job. Okay. Now, can you close all the feeder doors? Can you close everything? Yeah? Close it. So now, let's open up the feeder. Put it in?
Yes.
Uh-oh. That's okay. Put it. Uh-oh.
Okay.
It's all filled up. So this is how it will look after it is filled up. And if you try to open this, okay, it's quite interesting.
Birdie shoes, right? It's gonna eat. You have to wait for a birdie, right?
So we had a small trouble. This is the first time that I'm setting it up, and while we are opening, we had so much seeds that is falling off. So we want to avoid it so that it will not fall on the garden. And what we are going to do is, this is a plate. When you buy a pot, plastic pot, there will be a plate that comes in at the bottom. You can use that, or you can use the paper plate, or you can use the thermocol or brick plate. The reason why we are not using this paper plate is due to the rain. It can soak up and it can easily go away. So that's the reason we are using plastic. So if you have plastic thermocol plate that is lying around, you can use that to stick it around on the bottom. so it will behave as a container. So when the bird sits on it, you can actually reuse that entirely. And for sticking it, I'm using a Locket universal glue. Now this is glued up. So these are the two hooks, and find for a spot where there is a junction of branch so that this will be more stable.